Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect two monitors to this laptop. So quick notice, you can only connect two monitors to this model of laptop if you have the model that supports USB Type-C with DisplayPort cable support. So take a look at the left edge of your laptop and make sure that you got a USB Type-C port right here, and that it also has the DisplayPort sign next to it, which indicates that it can be used to connect a monitor. And this way you can connect both HDMI cable and display monitor cable to your laptop, and then connect the other side to your two monitors. Now, if you don't have the suitable ports on your monitors, don't worry, you can use adapters. So just get two adapters if your monitors do not support this connection types, and then connect the cables to adapters and the adapters to the monitors. And once you do that, you don't have to do anything on your laptop. In order to begin the projection, simply select the projection type that you need, and to select them, just use the Windows P combination of keys. And once you press Windows P, you'll be able to pick one of these four options. Now the first one is projection disabled. Of course, before projecting your laptop screen to your monitor, make sure that the monitors are plugged into the power source. Now, once you do that, you can select duplicate and duplicate the screen of your laptop to your external monitors. And if you select extend, then the monitors will become an extension of your screen. So your screen will be split between the three monitors, including your laptop. And the second screen only option will only display the screen of your monitors. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.